In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send email from Excel, but you're using an Outlook template. Now, long ago and far away, I had this little script for you, and basically you had the email address, the person's name, the subject, and then an attachment. Now, in this program originally, I just said, had the body of the email saying, please find attachment, regards, and then you say your name on it. But I have figured out a way that you can send all your messages from Excel on an Excel template. And so here I'm going to demonstrate. I've gone to the Developer tab, I've gone to Macros, I've gone send email from a template, and I'm going to run this. So here we have, now you can do, considering it's a Word format, you can do whatever you want. You can, you've got the name in there, and then you can change the font, you can change the color, you can put in pictures, you can put in graphs. You have all the flexibility of Word for creating a template, and then you just send it to your list. So let me show you how I did this. So the first thing I'm going to note is in the VBA window, you're going to go to Tools and References, and you need to select Microsoft Outlook 16 Object Library. This is required for you to use the template. The other thing that I'm going to show you is that to create a template, you go into your Outlook. So you've opened up your new item from Outlook, and what you're going to do is you can do whatever you want. You can put whatever you want in the template. Now, the whole point is that when you save it as a template. So I'm just going to put some letters in here, and then I'm going to go File, Save As, and I've been saving it to a desktop, and that's why this is going here. And so I'm going to go, now, instead of going untitled message, what we're going to do is we are going to save it as an OFT Outlook template. Okay, so it wants to go put it in the templates file, but you can insist it goes wherever you want, or you can leave it in the templates file. So let's go to my desktop, go to invoices, and I'm going to call it second. This is just my second example. Okay, and we're going to save it. So then here's my folder that I have on my desktop, and I have demo template, which is the one that I showed you before, and second is one that we've just created. Now let's go back to the code. Okay, so now we're going to go down the code. Everything's pretty well the same: edress, subject name, file name, Outlook, attachment, path, string. Now here's some things that you're going to find different. OL inspector as object, so that's Outlook inspector. And then to put the name in, we need wdDoc as an object, and oRng as an object, and customer name as a string. Okay, so then what you're going to do, it starts off as normal. Please note, when I put the code in the description of the video, I can't put in this symbol, so that I'm going to have in the words not equal to. So this is the symbol that you're going to replace the words with. Set Outlook to create Outlook object, and then here's the big one: set Outlook mail item, Outlook create item from template, and then you give the path to where your template is. And so the easiest way that you can do that is, I'll just show you quick. And so here's our demo template, and there's a wonderful little feature called here copy path, and that is going to give you the absolute path to your demo template. And so that is what you put in here, between here and here. And then Outlook MyItem display, it must display many times or it won't work. And then I'm attaching the file that I also have in my folder on my desktop. And then name is eAddress and name and subject are all located on the sheet. File name is my attachment, and then I've put the path in there. Now, so this is all the same. So to eAddress and carbon copy and subject, and then I'm adding my attachments. Now to fill in the name in the hello, so I want Barb in there or Fred in there or Mickey in there. So I go Outlook Inspector, get Inspector, Word Document, Outlook Inspector, Word Editor, set oRng as Word Doc Range. And so somewhere on your template you have to have a placeholder for the name, and it's looking for those exact words. And then when it finds that, it's going to replace oRng text with name, so whatever name you have in your sheet, and then it's going to exit the do when it finds the name, and then Inspector Outlook get Inspector. Now then we go here, it displays again, and then you clear all your Outlook app, Outlook mail item, Word doc, range O, and then you end sub. So I will of course include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.